Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna be drinking an entire thing of Starry without burping. This is gonna, and I have America over here. I will tag her YouTube channel in my video, but she's recording this as well. This is gonna be so fucking bad. All right, let's do this.
Don't burp.
Dave, shut up.
Chug, 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 chug.
I am Steve. No one can. That carbon dioxide.
That's not even half of it.
Nope. Excuse me, Jesus Christ.
That wasn't a burp, that was a growl.
I'm just gonna check the rest of it. Screw it.
Oh my god.
Oh no, your phone. Your phone is falling.
I can't drink the rest of it. I'm gonna throw up.